camshaft position sensor is located on the driver's side front of the engine right here. It's right next to the fuel rail. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it first. To do that, you can use a little pick or screwdriver and just pull back on this locking tab. Sometimes it pops off, that's okay. I'll get it later. And then you can squeeze the electrical connector and pull this straight off. Set this aside, and then with a 10mm socket, let's remove this bolt, which locks it in. Take that out. Before I completely remove it, I don't want any of this junk getting into the engine, so I'm going to spray it with some brake parts cleaner. Just to clean up the area. Use a rag to move all of the loose debris out of the way. Okay, now you can take the sensor, wiggle it, pull it straight out, and there it is. If you have a lot of corrosion buildup like this, take a razor blade and scrape away from the engine, or away from the hole, I should say, and just remove all of this corrosion so that the new sensor has a flat surface to mount up against. Take a rag with some brake parts cleaner and just clean off the surface here. Take your new sensor, if you had a new one, make sure it presses down in all the way. If it's hard to press in, you can lubricate that O-ring gasket with some engine oil. Start in the mounting bolt, and then we'll snug it up, make sure it's nice and tight. Just like that. Reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure that clicks, and if your lock flew out of there like mine, go ahead and put this back. Just like that. You should be all set. If you had a check engine light, go ahead and clear it. If not, take it for a road test.